In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate templates in HoneyBook. Fast Workflow 2026. Duplicating a template is perfect when you want a quick starting point while keeping your original version untouched. And it's one of the fastest ways to standardize proposals, invoices, and brochures without rebuilding from scratch. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted to verify your identity with a code or another security check, go ahead and complete that so you can proceed smoothly. After you sign in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You can see activity, projects, and shortcuts here. For this task, we'll head straight to the main navigation. Look to the left-hand sidebar. That's your primary navigation menu. From here, click Files. This is where HoneyBook stores the documents you use and reuse across projects. Inside Files, select All Files. This view gathers everything in one place so you can quickly access your templates without hunting around different sections. It's designed to keep your workflow fast and organized. On this page, you'll see your recent templates, including anything you've edited. These appear with their titles and previews, making it easy to identify the exact template you want to reuse. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the right one before opening it. Click the template you want to duplicate. This opens the template in the editor. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu, then choose Duplicate. HoneyBook will automatically create a copy and open it in a new tab. The duplicate is an exact clone of the original, so your structure, sections, and styling all carry over. Your original stays intact, and the new version is ready for adjustments without risk. A quick tip to stay efficient. Keep both tabs open, a read-only view of the original and the editable duplicate, so you can reference the original as you make changes. This helps you move quickly while maintaining consistency. To recap the flow, go to honeybook.com, log in, arrive at your dashboard, use the left sidebar to open Files. Choose All Files, locate your recent or edited template, open it, click the three dots in the top right, and select Duplicate. HoneyBook does the rest, spinning up a fresh copy in a new tab. That's all it takes to duplicate templates in HoneyBook with a streamlined, 2026 ready workflow. Keep this process handy whenever you want to replicate a winning template and move from idea to client ready in minutes.